So please be seated. Kumusta po kayo? So ngayon po ay birthday ng napakadakilang santo. So the birth of John the Baptist. And his birth was a miracle. We know already that John's parents, Zechariah and Elizabeth, were already old. So hindi nyo po inaitatanong, nandito po sa harapan si Madam Elizabeth. So Elizabeth was considered barren, the mother of John. Pero we have just heard the gospel, the neighbors and relatives of Elizabeth came when John was circumcised. But they were going to call him Zechariah. They thought, like his father, he would become Junior, Zechariah Junior. But Elizabeth said in reply, no. He will be called John. That's why the meaning of John means God is gracious or God is kind. Tingnan nyo nga po yung katabi nyo, mabait ba yan? Wow! Mapagbigay ba yan? Uy, gracious yan! No? At ganun ang Diyos. God is so gracious. Bakit? Lola na, nanganak pa. O, tingnan nyo po ulit yung katabi nyo, mukhang lola na ba yan? Pag yan ay nanganak pa, talaga namang sukdulang kabaitan ng Diyos. No? So God showed kindness to John's parents. Zechariah and Elizabeth were gifted a son in their old age. God is so gracious to them. And looking at the meaning of Zechariah and the meaning of Elizabeth, ang ganda po. Anong ibig sabihin daw ng pangalang Zechariah? It means God remembers. Ang Diyos ay nakaalaala. Yan ang pangalan na ibig sabihin ng Zechariah. Yung Elizabeth naman, Madam Elizabeth, alam niyo ba yung pangalan niyo? Your name means, my God is abundance. Grabe, no? Kaya pag Elizabeth ang pangalan mo, isang paalaala, ang Diyos ay abundant. Talagang sobrang magbigay, abundant, no? Yun. God truly remembered Zechariah and Elizabeth. And in their old age, they were both filled with God's abundance when their only child was born. Miracle baby yun eh. O tingnan nyo ulit yung katabi nyo, mukhang miracle baby ba yan? So si John the Baptist, miracle baby. So, to sum up, John means God is gracious. Zechariah means God remembers. Elizabeth means my God is abundance. Kaya ngayon pong araw na ito, as we celebrate the birthday of John the Baptist, let's be reminded that our God is truly a gracious and kind God. Our God remembers all our needs. Kaya kanina po sa misa, sabi ko, ating ihandog, alahanin, itaas ang ating mga personal na intentions. And God is the God of abundance. But look, what made John the Baptist great? He paved the way for Jesus. He baptized Jesus. He was a very courageous person. Sino sa atin ang pupunta sa harapan ng ating presidente at sabihin, ito ang mali mong ginagawa? During the time of John, hindi presidente ang sinabihan niya, hari, emperor. Anong sinabi niya? Sa emperor na Haring Herod, mali ang ginagawa mo. Ang asawa mong tinutukoy ay hindi mo asawa, asawa ng kapatid mo. Very courageous. And because of that, si Jesus may sinabi rin sa kanyang pinsan. Jesus affirmed John by saying in Luke 7 verse 28, For I say to you, among those that are born of women, there is no greater prophet than John the Baptist. But Jesus added with a twist, but he is the least in the kingdom of heaven, that the least in the kingdom of heaven is greater than he. Kaya huling tingin po sa katabi, makakapasok ba sa langit yan? Iyan! Pag tayong lahat ay makakapasok sa langit, we are even greater than John. What a twist! Paalaala. Do what John did. Pave the way for Jesus. Be a courageous person. Be a real prophet, the spokesman of God. And all of us will enter heaven. Amen.